Hello and welcome. In this video I will talk about the tweak tool. This is the icon of tweak tool. That's it. Firstly, I make it 100%. If I draw object, for example, this is the tweak tool. Tweak tool can be used for many purposes. There are many of modes in this tool. This is the modes. Modes 1. Move object to any direction. You can move object to any direction by this tool. This move object toward cursor by clicking. This mode move object in random direction. It will move object in random directions. Move object in random directions. This mode shrink object with a shift enlarge. You can shrink object, press shift to enlarge object. This mode rotate object will shift clockwise. This is a circle. I will draw another object to show you how we can rotate object. Return to tweak object, shrink object, rotate object with shift anti-clockwise. Duplicate object. The object, I will just click on empty space. As you can see, many of copies of the original object. I will delete this, create another object, return to tweak tool. This we said duplicate objects. This push part of paths in any direction. This is the most important modes in this tool. Those modes are not important. You can make it without tweak tool, but this is important. Push a part of path in any direction. You can, as you can see, draw something like this randomly. I will delete this object. If I draw, for example, circle, tweak tool, as you can see, you can draw something like this, anything you want. That's this mode. Shrink inset part of paths with shift to grow outset, like this. As you can see, or you can push a part of path outside the object. Not important tool. Attract parts of path toward cursor. Let us draw something. Control A, select tool, Control A, delete. If I draw another circle, I'm sorry, return to tweak tool, attract part of path toward cursor. Maybe used to draw some objects or some shapes, but as I told you, this tool is not very important. This tool, you can node tool, you can draw or you can manipulate the nodes, and you can do or draw anything you want without tweak tool. tweak tool. If there any special case we can use tweak tool, I will demonstrate this case later on. This ruin part of path. You can ruin a part of path. There is an extension in the Inkscape can do this function. This paint the tool color upon selected object. That's very important. Also you can, and the other modes like this, jitter the color of selected object, change the color of the selected object, return to tweak tool, and the last mode, blur selected object more, blur the selected object. I'm sorry, blur the selected object can be like this. You can control the blur of any object also from the blur here. Opacity, I will talk about these things later on. This section about only tools, tools, this box I mean. That's it. This is the everything about tweak tool. You can control the width, the force of the tool. I told you it's not very important. Thank you very much.